Missy, welcome to my channel. I'm doing an abstract design that uses Sharpies and foils for these. I was having a little bit of a play with it. This client, we always book out times we know she's going to have nail art. I don't always know what we're doing until she gets there though, which is good because it pushes me outside my comfort zone. I have used Sharpies before, normally to create more of a realistic marble effect. But for this, it was more just a marbleation of neon colours. We were going for a bright neon sort of look. So at this point, I literally had based the nail in 3 coats of Elise. It's all cured. I've wiped that tacky layer, and then I'm going in with my coloured Sharpies, just making splodges everywhere, really. And then I go in with a brush with alcohol solution on it, and I'm just patting a little bit of that solution. It'll disperse the colour out and kind of blend it together. It dispersed it more than I was hoping it to be honest, and in hindsight I think if I'd have worked on a matte base that would have worked better, but you know, you live and learn, and I was thinking on the hop. So also it might have been quite fun to paint some of that nail in white, or do it on a white nail. The colour would pop out more, but I still really like the effect that we got from this. But it's just thoughts that I had watching this back, and that's, you know, how you learn and you develop, you know, your own designs and techniques and things. So I thought I'd share that. And there we go. And I'm doing this exactly the same on those nails, and because, you know, it's dispersed it a bit more than I want, so I just go back over, do the same again really, and which is quite fun because it kind of layers it up and creates more of a marble. And I do this on both hands. It's pretty straightforward, to be honest. It's just I have a tendency to play with things a little bit too much, and you'll probably see me going in and out of my brush doing a bit more than I need to be. Sometimes you just need to know when to leave it alone. It's still a skill that I have to work at. None of us are perfect. So every time I've done this and I've dispersed it, it'll go back into lamp and have a full cure. The other nails are painted in neon coral and barley, all halo, and they worked really well for this colour scheme. Really bright and summery. I know we're not in summer yet, but just so pretty. And I just wanted to add in a little bit of veininess here and there, just to give this kind of coloured mottled marbly effect, and just kind of add to it really. So you don't have to do this bit. I was playing as I went. I was kind of building up an idea of it was kind of doing what it wanted to, and then came out, and I just wanted to build on it a little bit. Gotta love a Sharpie. Okay. So I tried it a different way, that I'd actually put some of the product on, some of the alcohol solution onto the nail, and then try drawing on the Sharpie just to see what that did. And not a lot, just sort of stopped my Sharpie working, so don't do it that way. Then I'm just top coating those. I was happy with that hand. No, I'm lying. Sorry, that's base coat. Totally lying to you. That's base coat going onto both those nails, because this is the point where we added the foil, and I had some multicoloured foil, which I have loads of foil in the drawer, but this one in particular, I knew this would work really nicely and just give a bit more texture and just make the design pop a bit more. So I just wipe the back of my foil before I use it as well with cleanser, and the base coat that we put on that got cured, I'm just giving that a firm push and a pull onto the areas where I want that foil to stick, and that's that. And though that hand went perfectly, I loved how the foil went on. And then the left hand, because it's my own fault, I should have changed to a fresh piece of foil because it had picked up the tacky layer from the other nails, and my fingers had been on it. and then I pressed it onto the next nail. I just ended up where I was trying to stick it, I just kind of rubbed away at any stickiness on the nail. Then on the other nail, I put too much foil on, but I'll show you how I sort that. So I'm just putting a little patch of base coat just where I want some more foil to be able to stick on the other hand, and that's gone into cure. The other nails are getting a top coat because I'm all happy with those. I could have top coated those straight after foiling them, but for some reason I didn't, and I've just looked, I'm happy, so top coat they get, and off they go. I've now gone back over the base coat on the other nails that I'd added in, happy with that, and I'm scratching off a little bit of the excess foil that I didn't want on that ring fingernail. And at this point I am ready to top coat them, and I'm really happy with the overall look. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.